Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a personal shopping business with Instacart, full guide step by step clearly. To start a personal shopping business with Instacart, first, visit the Instacart website. Create an account if you don't have one already. Select the option to become a shopper. Follow the prompts to fill out your application. Make sure to provide accurate and complete information. Once your application is submitted, you will need to pass a background check. Be patient as this process may take a few days. After approval, download the Instacart Shopper app. Log in with your new account credentials. Familiarize yourself with the app's interface and features. Next, set up your preferred payment method within the app. Decide on your service area, keeping in mind the demand and your proximity to stores. Market your services through social media, local community boards, or word of mouth. Create a basic website or social media page to showcase your business. Consider offering promotions or discounts to attract initial customers. Once you start receiving orders, communicate clearly with your clients. Make sure to ask for specific preferences and dietary restrictions before shop efficiently by planning your route through the store. Keep the client updated on their order status via the app. Complete the shopping and deliver the items to your clients' addresses. Ensure that you maintain a professional demeanor at all times. Follow up with clients for feedback after each delivery. Use their feedback to improve your services. Consider expanding your business by collaborating with local stores. This can enhance your reputation and provide more options for your clients. Continue to learn about customer service and shopping trends. Stay informed about any changes in Instacart policies or features. As you grow, consider hiring additional shoppers to help meet demand. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.